we've got two receivers. We've got the size 2 right, size 2 left. So you'll find the packaging comes out like this, and in here is where you'll find your receiver. So we're going to take the receiver, and this end here is going to go in here. So it's going to go like that, so it's secure and ready to wear. You can then take this end piece off. I don't know what I did with the dome.
I don't know why they maybe went back in the package.
Probably. And then pop the dome on, nice and securely, ready to use. When you want to remove it, give it a bit of a pull, put some tension on it, push it, the red lever down, and pull out.